Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree in a different location, and they seem pretty stocked still with this Valentine's Day decor, so let's take a look. Oh, so I'm absolutely loving their paper bags. Look how beautiful this one is, and this one. So this is what they have, and the balloon holders along the bottom. These are really cute. These are pretty. So I'm trying to see if I can show you what those look like. They are so cute. Okay, I don't think I've seen this ribbon before. Isn't that pretty? I like that ribbon. I gotta come back and get some of those. Now these are the pink LED lights. I don't know if you can see that there. They're pink. They had this at one other Dollar Tree, so those are really nice. And then here, guys, are the conversation hearts. They still have some more of the heart lights. These are the bigger ones. And then these are the craft jars. This is the gold top, and this is the pink top. So they still stocked in those. And then these are the wreath hearts, the tinsel ones. Okay, so then they have this glitter love decor. So it's like 5 pieces in there. And then they have this kind of heart one. They have 5 pieces in that one. So then they have this love each moment with the cream color background, and then there's the wooden grain background. So that's really nice, and I absolutely love this. I don't know why, but there's something about it I love. I have some tissue paper, Valentine's Day. That's really nice. Then they have the door hangers, and they have the felt hearts, and I absolutely love these. So I gotta pick up one of those. They still have some of the window clings. That one says be mine, and that one says love. Isn't that pretty? Like, I'm absolutely loving the shape of that heart. So let's see what they have here. Isn't that cute? Like, this one is the first time I'm seeing it at this location. I mean, that's the first time I'm seeing it from any location. Then they have this. Somebody threw this here. Magical marshmallow twist. Okay, and then they have the box of the light up roses. Isn't that pretty? That's cute. Okay, so here they have a whole box, even though it fell over. Look at these roses, guys. These roses are absolutely beautiful. For $1. And I like these florals. So the florals, here's some balloons up on the top, and the florals are kind of like everywhere. And here are the pots. I'm liking that they have the rose petals and that lavender color. So we have lavender, we have the white, we have the pink, and here's the red. And here's the flower pots, and they brought back these metal pots. So I'm really liking this shape, but they do also have the taller one. Have some more up along the top up there, and then tons of potting soil. Look at that, guys. So over here we have all the seeds. So I'm just gonna quickly scan these for you and show you what they have. Okay, so they have a whole display here. Let's come around here. Okay, so these are the tomato trellis, which I think this is really nice. And then they have the flexible tie. Okay, then they have these wind chimes. Okay, this is the frog. There's the butterfly. There's the ladybug. The bumblebee. How cute. And then this is the more flexible ties, and here's some shears. I'm absolutely loving these floral scissors. They work great. Some more of these vegetables and flower seeds. So we have tons of those. And then, okay, so here are some scarves. These are great for crafting, but they're also really cute. So they have this one. It has the sloth. I think that's a hedgehog. Okay, then they have this kind here. This one has the truck. Isn't that pretty? That one has the truck. This one has the hearts. Then they have that one. Okay, so here we have some socks. That's the hedgehog. Here's the flamingo. Look at that one. Be mine. We belong together. That dog, he's so cute. Okay, that's what they have here. So they have the table, the vase filler, in the red and the white. And they're still pretty stocked on they're pretty stocked on everything. So all along the top here for the kids is the Valentine's Day cards, all the way to the end, guys. So over here we have the sticker boxes. And then we have, these are the Whack-A-Pack balloons. They still have that. I like this. I don't think I've seen these with the other scatter. And then they have them here in the pink. So that's nice. And then these are the putty. They still have some more of these burlap sacks with the red heart. And these are the pens and the pencils. That is so cute. So along the bottom there are some more of the Valentine's Day cards. And so these are the metal mailbox shape tins. Here's some stampers and some erasers all the way to the top. And then you have the paddle ball down to the bottom here. Some more felt hearts. They're pretty stocked, like I said. Then they have the necklaces, the headbands, some more stickers. Okay. These are the notepads. Great stuffers, party stuffers, treat bags. I think that's nice. These are the party glasses, and here are the gems. This one has florals, and this one says "Be Mine." Those are so nice. And look, they even have one more of these plastic hearts. I'm absolutely loving these. And then they have these kind of balloons. That's nice. So here are the totes. These totes are really pretty. So they come in that style and this style. Oh, look, and this one. This must be the sloth. I can't get to it, but it's the sloth. There he is. Okay. Here are the treat bags. And I think that's the first time I'm seeing that dog. Here are the bigger doilies and the smaller ones. They come in those 3 sizes. Then the dinosaurs, and then even the drinky sippy cups. So you have this pink one. You are possum. Isn't that cute? Then this is the sloth. Okay, and then you have the paper plates. So you have that kind. You have this kind. Yeah, they're both the same. Then along here you have some more treat bags. And here are some more treat stuffers. So these are the little skateboards, and these are the dinosaurs. This is tissue paper. Okay, so we know we have the chain. And okay, so these are new to this Dollar Tree. These are new in general, the plant clips. Those are very nice to have. Then they also have the hanging, the macrame hanging rope. And then here's some more of these tins, galvanized metal tins right here, and the little small planters. There's the watering cans, and then these. I use these for my floral arrangements. Okay, and then they have, let me just scan that wall for you here. And look, they even brought back the fencing. Okay, that's pretty neat. So they have the windmill and the darker metal and the lighter one. The sunflower, the ladybug, the frog. These are so cute. These are wind chimes. And then the gardening tools. These are the stakes for the ground. Okay, let me just scan the florals for you. I can't get to that corner there, but look, they have the white roses. I love white. Look at that bunch over there. I gotta come back and see if I can get to it. Okay, so we have some gardening gloves over here and some seeds over here. Starter kits. Greenhouse starter kit right here. Daisies. Then they have these flower rockets. And these are the herb rockets. This one is thyme. This one is parsley. And these are the floral bouquet. That's nice. So along this wall here we have the Valentine's Day candy. Okay. I think we pretty much know what these look like. Oh, look at this. The lip pops. That's cute, and here it is in the purple. And then here's the candy. And this one here with the little dog. Okay, so and here's the little bouquet pops, lollipops. That's nice. Look at this. They still have some more of these left. Follow your heart. And let me see. This one says Cupid's Corner. Some of them say love. I don't want to take them all out, but then they have these heart balls. Follow your heart, Cupid's Corner. Then they have these baskets right here in the red and the pink. Oh, here's the love. I'm so surprised how stocked they are. So then they have the plastic containers, which I'm absolutely loving. Then you have these storage containers and the little mailbox valentines in the cardboard. These are the 10 hearts. And those are what's left. And then here is the floral boxes with the handles. I mean, you can put anything in there. I just love them. I like that. So they have them in different sizes. So the bigger ones are on the bottom. Then you have the medium and the little small ones, and I'm absolutely, here's a size difference. I'm loving the truck. And then they even have some makeup and some books. So they have these over here. So those are bath bombs. And look, they even have the eyelashes by Diamond. Isn't that pretty? So that one, I can't reach it because it's too far away. So they have that kind. Look how pretty that is. They're so cute. And then they have the lip oil. Here's the new color sponges in the shape. And here are the sponges in the that say love. Here are the bath bombs. And here's some more plushies along the bottom. These are really cute because they come 2 in a pack. So that one says me, and that one says you. How cute. Then this one says friends forever. That one says friends best. Those are absolutely adorable, aren't they? I don't want to take them all out of the box, but these are so cute. We have some fairy garden figurines. I'll just scan these for you. Then they have these stone things for your fairy garden. These phone rocks. Believe, hope. This one says peace. And look, the camper. Okay, so I'm just gonna scan the rest for you. Let me see what this one is. Ice cream. And then these, the soaker hose. I don't think I've ever used that. And then here, guys, is some jute twine. I have some of these circular wreaths, the small ones. What size is this? 8-inch. So you get 2 of those. Then you have some wind chimes right here in different shapes. Some more gardening gloves and the little seed starting pot mix. So it looks like that's it, guys. So thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look to see the Valentine's decor and what's left. I'll see you guys in the next video.